1. Mark a line 100 millimeters from the end. Cut and remove silicone neon. 2. Trim excess LED strip with scissors, then testing. 3. Apply small amount of quick-set adhesive to cable ends to prevent fraying. 4. Thread cable through end plate. Apply adhesive to housing cross-section. Secure with plastic wrap and allow 1 hour curing time. Fifth, route wired end through component A. Pass both cables through cable clamp, secure with screws. Trim excess, then fasten cover plate with screws. Six, install component B on opposite end using identical method. Seven, assemble base unit. Rotate component A to A connections clockwise. Component B to B connections counterclockwise.